The LLDA discharge permit is a regulatory requirement issued by the Laguna Lake Development Authority, or LLDA, for entities discharging liquid waste within the Laguna de Bay region. Nasaan po ba ang Laguna de Bay region? As shown on the screen is an administrative map of the Laguna de Bay region, and it includes the province of Rizal, province of Laguna, and in Cavite, selected cities and municipalities, in Batangas, Quezon, Metro Manila. So if the establishment is situated or located within the Laguna de Bay region, it shall be under the jurisdiction of the Laguna Lake Development Authority. And there are types of discharge permit to be applied by the owner or operator of establishment within the Laguna de Bay region. Under the discharge permit, we have new discharge permit, and this is a permit for new dischargers or projects. Another type is DP renewal, and this is for existing permit holders seeking renewal. And discharge permit indirect, and this is for establishments connected to centralized wastewater treatment system or facilities. DP revalidation for long-term permit holders needing revalidation. During the application of discharge permit, an LLDA personnel will be using a evaluation form showing the company name, project name, and address. So the LLDA personnel will evaluate the application for discharge permit using this evaluation form. That the application form shall be completely filled out, notarized, with acceptable water balance, duly signed by the PCO or the authorized representative, countersigned by the CEO, and the applicant shall present water bills or reading. If the source of water is from the supplier or water provider, a copy of the water billing statement for the last 3 months. If the source of water of the establishment is from groundwater or deep wells, the applicant shall show copy of water permit or at least water permit application received by the National Water Resources Board. If the source of water is from surface water, water permit or water application from LLDA. So the LLDA personnel, just to put some check on this evaluation form. For the applicant with incomplete documents, there will be remarks in the evaluation form. So if the requirements are not complete, it will be returned to the applicant. Now, what are the other requirements for discharge permit application? The applicant shall provide water treatment facility or septic tank or oil and water separator or grease trap or other wastewater treatment system layout. And this layout shall have complete specification of the treatment process duly signed and sealed by a licensed civil or sanitary engineer. This layout, plan and layout of a wastewater treatment system shall have a corresponding engineer's report or technical report providing relevant information. One is the project description, area and location, the declaration of product capacity, stating the quantity or volume and the generic name of the products if applicable. Now, in the engineer's report, there shall be specific information to be provided in the report if the establishment has wastewater discharge or no wastewater discharge, such as a zero discharge, or with storage of used oil, chemicals, or hazardous waste. So this is the evaluation form again used by the LLDA personnel to check the completeness of the requirements for the application of discharge permit. Now, for the list of the requirements for discharge permit, the applicant may refer to the prescribed list of requirements for discharge permit as provided in the website of LDA. And using also the prescribed discharge permit application form. So as shown on the screen is the prescribed application form stating application for discharge permit for new, renewal, revalidation, or indirect discharger. And if the applicant has already acquired its discharge permits, that discharge permit will be subject for renewal. So the type of application shall be provided to the evaluator if it is new, renewal, revalidation, or indirect discharger. And if it is renewal, the expiration date of latest discharge permit shall be provided in the application form. So in the application form, we have 2 pages, and at the last page, it shall be signed by the PCO or the authorized representative and countersigned by the owner or the chief executive officer or the managing head of the company. It shall be duly notarized and it shall be submitted along with the requirements as presented in the evaluation form used by the LLDA personnel. So the applicant shall use the LLDA prescribed application form and make sure it is the updated one, the latest discharge permit application form. So that is the discharge permit under Laguna Lake Development Authority. And if you want to know more about environmental compliance, environmental requirements, procedures, please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. Thank you very much, everyone, and God bless us all.